this swim. Let's actually lock in. We're locked right now. What am I saying? We're actually locked.
It's like you're in chamber section.
Here, you guys drop first.
Instead of like that, I kept breaking my neck to reach out.
How's your building on it?
One guy.
One guy? Does this get out here?
Alright, I'm landing on this orange crate then.
Yeah, I am one behind you. The one on top of you. Heis. I'm here. Brother.
My fall blocked out.
No, you're good. I low-keyed it for a sec too.
Nah, I was shooting his body that entire time.
Yeah, I know. I got some love taps on him.
Yeah, what the fuck?
And again.
Sniping him.
I think I am. Oh, we're done. We're cooked. We're cooked. We're cooked. We're cooked. We're cooked. Oh, that was you shooting him?
Yeah.
Oh.
One's above us though.
I got my money in the buy, dude.
Team living. Did this UAV go, chat?
Oh, mortar.
Where the f did this UAV go?
What you be there, dude? I dropped away to the buy.
I just picked up another UAV. And a muni. And
Grab one as well.
Oh, you got it.
Money on buy?
Yeah. What's up, Jeremy?
Edgar Allan Poe, the rapper.
No idea who Ian is. Like, this is a joke.
Ready? I'm gonna buy munitions too.
No, I already have one.
We have a muni and an armor bar.
Loadout drop headed your way.
Where's the muni at?
Didn't drop it yet.
I got.
I'm gonna try. I'm
Dropping
trying out.
ammo,
Trying out
yeah.
that JX, bro.
You guys have a UAV?
Yeah.
I'm landing.
I'll pop mine.
Dropping ammo here.
Yeah, at this.
Top green on me. I trolled.
Oh.
Didn't want to land on him. He would probably killed me.
Stop
He's on me
pulling your
first.
shoes. Stop pulling your shoes.
Bro, I'm in green. I pulled it on purpose.
No, it's not ready.
Shot. Got one.
Oh yeah.
Wait.
210. Really weak. Get team shouting.
Like, this gun has no recoil. What was that?
Yeah, I got sniped. I'm gonna get that. Getting mortared now.
I'm going to call.
I need.
Hey, mommy.
Yeah, you have to
On me.
You behind you in the tent. Jump out. I got him.
This guy's hit every snipe on me. I'm not even trolling. I'm gonna pop UAV.
I'm telling you, this gun's really weird. Like,
I'm getting sniped. Top control.
I got double sniped.
I'm trying to throw
Double sniped.
Three.
Ready on me?
One by me too. In his building, he jumped out the window now, left. I got him.
Behind you,
We're getting double sniped. Yeah, we're getting sniped. He's one on the ground. He's running at us.
Grab that.
On the tent. And then I just got sniped, bro. On the tent, right here.
Alright,
He's still sniping top. This guy's a
Yeah.
loser. I'm gonna stick him with that.
This guy's a miss one. Alright, I'm letting him
What the bro? This guy cheating? I say we chalk that, bro. Chalk that guy. Just come right. Did a UAV on buy? This guy's hitting every shot. That guy. Don't trust him.
Don't trust him.
No. Only on buy for UAV. Pop it. Let's go blue.
Sulfur here ready?
I need that.
Taking out this freaking.
In green on me.
Yeah,
This one guy?
I'm gonna get my other green. I'm gonna play
Those
this
kids
with
tend to run.
That's it.
Thank
Oh, you
you.
shot him.
Selfie.
Join me? Dude, I trolled, bro. Oh, one shot.
I got one. I'm flying top blue. I'm killing this kid. Dude,
Oh my
I'm
God,
getting
that's
sniped in the back, dude.
Wait, 18 seconds. Don't die, Heis. Good pool. 5 seconds on me.
I'm good.
He's selfing. We're chilling.
Were they down low?
He's running at me. Dude, this kid's a fucking freak, dude.
Maybe. They're running at ready. I'm gonna drop on Lodi and help. Find me though.
I landed him already.
Are you on Mars? Yeah, yeah, your body's getting obliterated.
Fucking grinding. Let's go.
I'm coming, man.
Nah, that just actually bothered me. Why did he just try to challenge me like that?
I mean, dude.
Stop it.
UAV time. That's all you has. Pop a UAV. Ready? Me and you work green. Come on.
Give me
We got
one
loafers and
second.
stuff.
I'm gonna go green and pop it. I want to
Yeah,
be close
yeah,
to you
yeah.
guys.
That's actually a better idea. Yeah. Very smart. They're fighting like over by bio or not bio. It's over there. I'm grabbing the swarm drone.
Ready? There's a lot of loot in there. Jeez.
Supply drones on our ass. Shut them down.
Hella smokes in here. Grab smokes in here. Ready?
I have a
Alright,
lot
six.
of them.
I got them all actually.
A lot of them.
Follow each other up.
Yep, get that self.
Alright,
They're kind of split too, bro.
yeah, yeah. I'm smoking others.
Smoke out. Smoke out. Smoke out. Fly right.
3 breaker drone in his face. He
Oh, no
threw
way.
a nade at me?
Weak to the left, weak to the left.
Yes.
Still weak. Running back. Nope, no armor.
I am to us. Yes. I fell off by accident. Okay, cool.
You.
Mine.
Me green. Top green. We're chilling.
I'm giving.
Swarm's done for. Contract's complete. Good work.
He's on the buy, bro.
Your squad made it to the safe zone.
We brought a prison. What the f?
I bought a prison right here.
I'm good.
I'm dead. I didn't even see this guy in my mini. He's down. His teammate's down, crawling to him. Dead. There's a two there. Careful, guys. Careful.
I got more there.
Two there. Play your lives. I'm up in 10. Don't even fight.
Ready, get me.
Play ones.
Here. Still going.
You're 7 seconds, Heis. 7 seconds. Try to live. 2 seconds. Alright, I'm up. You good?
I'm good.
Did I land on you?
6.
Good.
5.
One. Like, go very bottom if you do.
Dude, what are the chances of that? He's outside on you. Okay, yeah.
Yeah,
Good that guy.
Nice. Yeah, she's
He's
body.
chilling. The fuck? Let's go, good shit. Alright.
Like, this is getting disrespectful. It's actually bothering me.
Yeah, that was insane. I'm gonna land on my buy UAVs.
That's up
Heis.
right here, boys.
Buy UAV, drop your money.
Yeah.
Oh, buy 2 UAVs, get in advance.
Buy station prices.
I'll pop myself. I'm gonna keep popping. I'll hold this one actually.
UAV entering area.
Alright, going.
Going control.
Control's a good fight.
Yeah.
This
So
split.
we can hold this
Second
fight.
window,
This
second
right
window.
kid, yeah.
Oh, apple right there.
Weak. One left.
Oh.
Come to the left. Have you guys left? You went on the left.
Went low, actually.
I'm about to zip behind the others, bro. This is annoying.
Scamming. Take zip, ready?
I'm just holding the bottom. You don't want. They're on my floor. My side now.
Yeah.
Really weak. I broke it down. I'm plating cool.
Oh, I thought you downed this guy, bro. Down you as well. I'm so sorry.
Nice, you. I can stuff on the circus. That's spot right.
Selfing up top.
Nice.
Yep.
Nice.
My bad, dude. I trolled that.
Your squad mate's back on
You're good.
Good work.
Self right here.
We good. Only, it's a 3v3.
It's 2 cells. Oh my
Oh,
god.
my
Yeah,
spear.
someone's looking at me.
It's like, didn't like find a gun. Right?
Pop that UAV.
I did. Yeah, get this.
Alright, your squad's in the safe zone.
Let me get some tricks.
Buy, drop your money, Heis. And ready? I mean, ready?
Yeah.
Oh, Heis,
And fire sales.
I'm buying a PA.
Back to normal.
Oh,
Yeah, I have another UAV in it.
Okay. Hold on. Is this
What's
guy
up, President?
low?
This guy?
Yeah.
yeah, he's gonna be low. Way he's moving. Hey, stop.
Oh yeah.
Oh my
Whatever.
god.
Oh,
that.
please, step the ladder, yo. Watch out.
Holy f. Dude, this guy's turn.
Gonna mix it.
Oh, I just missed so much. Okay, I got the kill.
I'm gonna drop on the metal. Fight ready? Fight this.
I'm at the bottom. He's on my floor though. Let's take it.
I fell by accident. I actually might. I'm with Heis. Heis, follow me.
Give me stab. I'm reloading my guns.
On my floor now. I got one.
Watch out for those. Watch out for those. Careful.
Smoke on me?
One's on red. One's on highs.
Give me a second player.
Oh my gosh.
He went
I
top, he
just
went
the
top.
wrong way, dude.
I'm cutting him off.
I did. I'm up top again.
It's the last team.
I don't know, I'm top raising again though.
Still 3 left.
Got gas moving in.
Just land over here to the left.
You landed over here, blue, 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 blue.
Daytime, we need to win this.
Some of your squads outside the safe zone.
Dude, be advised. Landing in right
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
Over
And, yo,
there.
another one's ran under, like over here. Either ran. Yep. Right here. Oh.
I'm gonna.
Must
You guys
be
wanna fight
below
blue here?
The one shot. I got one. Top. Snaking, one shot down. Nice.
Alright, I'll
Yeah,
blow.
last team low. Top blue right now. You guys wanna take this? Wait for zone. Wait for zone.
Oh,
Yeah, just trap. Just trap. These guys are fucked.
They're gonna go low left.
Just
I have
trap.
all top blue. I literally have all top blue and second floor. Put it right. He has to go like right. He's
Yeah.
on the staircase right here. Staircase right here. Him 3 times.
One's cracked.
I'm a mortar.
Yeah, just-
Well, I'm a mortar to cut
Him
him.
3
Yeah.
times.
Mortar when that zone starts playing.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut right. I'm gonna get right.
Yeah.
Top.
I'm looking at top. He can't come out top.
Okay.
I'm like the highest. Okay, I'm getting shot now. What the? I think he's in the gas. Like in the. It's right over. That roof.
You're gonna come up these steps right here. Crossing. 3 of them.
Where? Got one. Nice. I don't need it too. That's good, right? Nice.
Take it.
You are the Kyrie of Twitch chat, no joke.
We will take it.
Out for delivery. Oh,
Take it.